In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Gamma watermark. The first thing you want to do is you want to download your Gamma presentation. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and you want to select on these three dots just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on export. Then you want to go ahead and select on this option over here that does say export to PowerPoint. Make sure that you do select on this because this is the only way that it's going to work. And now it is going to go ahead and just export it as a PowerPoint to your device. So just wait a little bit and then you should be good to go. So this is a Gamma presentation that I did just make, and I did already open it up over here. But as you're able to tell, I actually do have the watermark over here. So I'm just going to show you guys how to actually remove it. Okay, guys, so we do have our presentation downloaded as a PowerPoint. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and just open up Canva. Canva is a free website that will allow you to design images and edit images and stuff like that. And we're actually going to be using this in order to remove the watermark. So make sure you do make a Canva account if you haven't already. So I already did make a Canva account. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the top left and selecting on create a design. Then we're going to go ahead and select on presentation. Then it is going to open up something that does look like this. And if you guys are wondering, no, you do not need the paid version of Canva. You could do this with just the free version. All right, guys. So now that you have this, all you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and you want to select over here where it says uploads. Then you want to go ahead and press on upload files. And you want to go ahead and select on the PowerPoint file that you did just download. So I already have it over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and just drag and drop it just like so. And then there you go. It's slowly being uploaded right over here. It may take a little while. All right, guys. And eventually you should see that your presentation has been uploaded. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it just like so. And then you want to go ahead and press on apply all 8 pages. And then there you go. We now do have our presentation right over here on Canva. So what we need to do is we actually need to go to any of the slides that does consist of the watermark. And you will notice that it will highlight the watermark in like a purple box. So all we need to do is we need to press on it. And then we need to go ahead and select on delete. And then we basically just need to do that for every single page. So let's go ahead and delete that. Delete the watermark, and basically you need to just do this for every single slide. So I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, I just removed all the watermarks, and now in order to actually save this, what we need to do is we need to press over here where it does say share, then go ahead and press on download, and then you guys could actually select the file type. So we got PDF, or you guys could also save it as a Microsoft PowerPoint as well. So it's completely up to you. And then you want to select on the pages, then you want to go ahead and press on download just like so. Now just wait a little bit and now the file should be installed to your device. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.